On today's video, we'll be working on this air gap. If you look underneath your kitchen sink, you have here your garbage disposal. You have a drain that comes from your dishwasher and goes to your air gap. And then you also have a hose that connects from your air gap to your garbage disposal. Now what happens is when your dishwasher goes into the drain cycle, it will shoot water from the air gap and it'll try to shoot it into the garbage disposal. What happens, that black hose oftentimes gets filled with debris and food deposits, and this will restrict the water to shoot out in its proper place. And what happens is once the hose from your garbage disposal to your air gap gets clogged with food, it'll start to actually shoot water out here, and this is just to let you know, hey, I'm clogged, I need you to clean me out. To fix this problem, remove the air gap cover. We need to remove this insert into the air gap. There's the two little clips. You have one on this side and one on the other side. And what we're going to do is we're going to try to remove this cap by pressing these inserts in and pulling this out. You may have to use a flathead screwdriver on the top just to kind of help give you that leverage that you need. What we're going to do is a little slot here provided. See where that little hole is? Not this one in the middle, but the one that's on the side. What we're going to do is we need to get something to go inside of there to clean the restrictions. There's two things that we can do. Number one, they do have what's called an air gap cleaning tool, or what I'm going to use here, I'm just going to use a piece of just cable wire that I've cut one end, and we're going to shove that in. For feeding the line, you may feel the restrictions, so you have to kind of work it out and then push it back in to kind of clear it. I can definitely feel I'm getting stuck. Just keep working it in there, pushing it in. I was able to work it through. Now what's going to happen is you'll know it's clear, because what happens is as you push the line in, the cable line will start to come in through the garbage disposal. You see here, and this tells me that I cleared my line through. Now we're going to remove our line. We're going to put our cap back on. Right now my dishwasher is draining. There are two other things that I want to mention before we finish this video. Number one, if you have a new garbage disposal, a lot of times what happens is there's a black hose that connects from the garbage disposal to the air gap, and on the new garbage disposals, where the hose connects on the inside of the tubing where the garbage disposal is, there's a plastic insert. You need to remove that insert. If you don't remove that insert, the water has nowhere to drain, and that's why it'll start shooting out through the air gap. Secondly, you want to check the hose for kinks. If there's any kinks in the line, what'll happen is it will restrict the water flow when it's shooting into your garbage disposal, and that will also cause the air gap to start spilling water out. The insert is going to be inside of this tube right here that comes out of the garbage disposal. Usually I just take a long hammer and a screwdriver, and then I just kind of stick the screwdriver inside and just tap it out, and it'll pop right out. Or for instance, you see here where there's a curve, a lot of times when someone installs it, the curve may be too short and there'll be a kink in the line, and that's what also will cause the water to shoot out of the air gap, because the water is being restricted. So you want to make sure that you check those two things as well. If this video was a help, if it was informational, please subscribe.